So we're going to rewrite this as 2 log base 2 of u plus what? What do we do with the 4? We move it to the front. So 4 times the log base 2 of v. So 2 steps there. We rewrote it as log base 2 of u squared plus log base 2 of v to the 4th. And then we moved our exponents to the front, the second step. I'm going to change this number 4. I'm going to change this to 2x here. So doing this one, this would be log base 5 of, let's do this division first. So division means subtraction. So we're going to say log base 5 of 2x minus log base 5 of 3 to the 4th. Follow me so far. Okay. So now we're going to take this log base 5 of 2x and we want to expand that. How can we expand that? Yes, and then somebody besides, oops, that's a minus. Somebody besides Shireen, what can we do next over here? We do something with that exponent. Move it to the front. So it's 4 times log base 5 of 3. So I had lots of questions in my last class. So if you have questions, let me know. Last class and some in my 4th. Questions are good. If you have questions, I'm guessing that other people have that same question. Okay, go ahead and do the U-try. Leave your homework out. Thank you. Nice job. Very nice. Very nice. Let's make a mistake on that. Very good. Very good. Except this is multiplication, so everything else is good. Good job. Sorry, probably because I'm standing over you. Yeah. Finish it already. This is y to the 5th. So what about the x? So the 5 is not there. The 5 is on the exponent of the y. So maybe write the x first. Let's write x first. Yeah, x right there. Good, good. And is it plus or is it minus? It's minus. Yeah. And now expand that. Nice job. How much you doing you try right now? This number 5. Should this, I like this step, and then you want to expand that. So we'll this is not expanded yet. There. Yes, everything is good except this symbol here. So this is multiplication. So what should that mean? So, yeah, good. Okay, I'm going to do it up here. So this is log base 4 of xy to the 5th minus log base 4 of 11, which is log base 4 of x plus log base 4 of y to the 5th minus log base 4 of 11. And then we have one exponent, so we move that one exponent to the front. Log base 4 of x plus 5 log base 4 of y minus log base 4 of 11. Questions on that? Probably the most common mistake there is sometimes students want to put a 5 in front of this one. And that 5 only applies to the y, not the x and the y. But I honestly, I don't even know if I saw anybody do that here in this class. Okay, so now we're going to go the other direction. The other direction is a little harder. Tends to be a little harder. Okay, so on the first one, number 6, is the number in the front the same on all of those? No. So our goal this time is to condense to a single log. We cannot condense to a single log until this number is the same in the front. So what do we do with this 3? Move it, and we can move it where? Yeah. So it's log base 7 of z to the exponent 3. Does that make sense? And then somebody want to, actually, I'll go ahead and do the next one. So this is all addition. So addition is what operation? Addition, multiplication. So we're going to make this x, y, z to the 3rd. Does that make sense? Okay, number 7. Are the numbers in the front the same? They're not. So what do we do first? We need to move them. So this is log base 5 of 6 to the exponent 30 minus log base 5 of 7 to the 5th. So now what do we do with that subtraction? We make a division. So this is log base 5 of 6 to the 30 divided by 7 to the 5th. Is that order important? Is it important that the 6 to the 30th is on the top? Yes, because it's subtraction. We have to keep that order as is. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do one more. So we want to move these numbers in the front. Log base 9 of x squared. Well, do you know what to do with the next one? Log base 9 of y. See how we move this 2 to the exponent? What are we going to do with that 6? Yes, move it to the exponent. That's right. So now when it is addition, addition becomes multiplication. So we're going to rewrite this as multiplication of 1 log base 9 of x squared y to the 6th. And that's your answer. That's 1 log. So we condensed into 1 log on these. The others we expanded. Go ahead and do the number 9 as your U try. How do you do it? Perfect. Yep. Is this a log? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
I think you forgot the G on both of those. Yep. Good. We're doing number 9 right now. Sure. Good job. On number 9. Good. Log base 3. So first thing you want to do, but rewrite log base 3 of x. So that right there. You're just rewriting, putting the x there. And then plus. We got to move this. Where do we move it to? So since it's in the front, we're going to move it to the exponent. Yep. Log 3. Uh-huh. Yep. Yep. And then one more step. So you should get an answer of log base 3 of x, y to the 6th. Questions on that? Okay, so this one's tricky. Is there a way we can rewrite this dividing by 3 as a coefficient multiplied by log of u? There is. What would it be? What's that? So the base is 10, yes. So since there's no base, it's assumed to be 10. What would our coefficient be when we're dividing by 3? 1 over 3, yes. So 1/3 log u. So what's our next step to get that into 1 log? We can't yet because this one has a 1/3 here. So that's right, we're going to move it to the exponent. So log of w plus log of u to the 1/3. Before we do that, want to change that. What does that mean? U to the 1/3 is what? No. No. It's a radical. No negatives. I don't see any negatives there. This was last chapter. What root? Yes, cubic root. Okay. That's, yeah, because the square root is only with the square. That's why I said radical, yeah. Yeah, I'm glad, though, that you clarified that that's why. So one more step. Log of w times the cubic root of u. And that's your answer. Okay, can I get somebody to pass out the... Oh, yeah, just a second.